Yeah, sibonile-ke ukuthi iqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs ekugcineni sibanalo iqembu labomake nje basibona ukuthi i-Sundowns be-solid dominator lapha nje kuyo i-Hollywood Base ku-Women's Soccer League nje basibona ukuthi iqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs nalo ekugcineni bese nje bathenga status bavula iqembu labo. Sibonile-ke itolo mhla ka-31 beba-unveila iqembu lelisha balosha futhi iqembu lelisha sibe silibona lidlala le season le kuyo i-Hollywood Base. Kepha nje bekumnandi namuhla tindlini tethu zokusakatha sivakashele nje Sports Guru kuyo i-Women's Football lo lenzela kakhulu from Sasol national team Hollywood Base besibuka kabandi nje basibona into beyiqala amaduzane league nje namuhla 21 April sitobe iqala nje lenyanga lesitulo lapha nje ibhola labomake iHollywood Base basibona Sundowns ukusela solo dominator kepha nje ekugcineni maybe mhlambe sibona iChiefs yena something because sibonile iTS Galaxy Queens bazamile kepha nje akuseso sikhathi simbikelela ngokwamukele sibuka ekugcineni mlando wenekile itolo mhla ka-31 iqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs ekugcineni sibona i-team ladies uthini leqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs kanzi ngiphi impact batoyiletha la league le especially sathi vele tuba ne following lenyindi nyalo especially sengena i-Chiefs ladies ayo lapha le league ye-Hollywood Bets.
Yeah, coach is ngubingelele. You know, it's a developing or development in progress. Yabona. Mawuthi yabuka kungena noma to officially introduce an official Kaizer Chiefs team.
Yeah.
It's not good bona they are new. No, they are not new. They've been there, but behind the scene. Remember, they were part of Springs Ladies.
Yeah.
So, nyalo njengoba they officially took a team good vele sayibitwa good Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
So I think a lot of people we're still waiting to see good team. Are they going to Hollywood or back to because the team is still in Sasol League.
Yeah.
You know, even though Sasol League is change anyalo ilkam. You know, because Sasol is no longer there. It's no longer sponsoring the women's team. Ngalagla gule league. So we are still waiting to hear good, but most of the news saying that they are still going to spend the season go Hollywood go Sasol. So safuna kubona coach ukuthi ngabe kutohamba njani. Kepha kona having them go Hollywood so it's going to bring a huge improvement. And remember, Kaizer Chiefs it's one of the teams which attracts a lot of sponsors.
Yeah.
Imagine a jersey of Kaizer Chiefs having a logo, a big brand, the corn.
Yeah.
So it shows good okay impact njani, which is something that's now ibona to teams lamakhulu like the likes of your Orlando Pirates. They do have they do have a team which they are behind. You know, they are playing behind the scene, but we still need to have the Orlando Pirates ladies. Which it will develop. It will have even a huge development for women's football in South Africa. Maybe officially, if maybe we'll have those teams like we find every team like Dalagu, PSL, they have a ladies team. Maybe from there we'll see what's okay. Now we can officially have a professional
overseas over team lamakhulu anema ladies soccer.
Exactly. So I think the emphasis of Dr. Patrick Mtsebuti, a team that has to play with CAF must have a women's team.
Or adapt.
I think yes, it must have a women's team. I think logo it plays a huge role. I think the only thing now they have to change is that Flower Chinchelosi Guti adopt, you know, they must officially have the team under their name. Yes. I think logo it will help us a lot. Remember, we have Bostellenbosch, they have my teams which are playing the Sasol. We have Bomamilo Sundowns, they have the teams. You know, we have now we have Marumoko Lens. Marumoko Lens also have the team. So I think it's a but we are getting there.
And then musabuka Chiefs big brand babo sobalile kusini ma sponsors lamanyinde angafuna kusi associate nayo. And then musabuka ku football yabo babe Chiefs ihlale under pressure especially njenganyalo bengindi kahle ipressure tebangakanani ma ladies special bona angeke babe strong njengama males ngalena ku team lesibona kuphethwe ipressure bangapi because once ngagcoka iJersey Chiefs even noma bola bafana bancane beDDC wasogcoka iJersey Chiefs ipressure iningi plus futhi nesupport inyindi ineskalinzela especially labo says libe Kaizer Chiefs for performance basibona Sundowns be dominate.
I think you know it's ngathini I think a lot of people they think kutoba ne pressure on the players, but as much as I know the players, as much as I've seen the players, there's not much of a pressure, Coach Ace. Reason being, some of those players, they were playing in Hollywood. Some of those players, they are from Mamelodi Sundowns. Some of those players, they are from TS Galaxy. Some of those players, they are coming from teams like Matax, which are big teams in the women's football. Exactly. Some they also come from former Bloemfontein Celtics team. You see, so I think the only pressure is the name. What's it's Kaizer Chiefs. So we need to live to the standard, you know. But one thing, most of the players is that when they get there, relax. And there's someone who wants your position. So I call that much pressure because they are used to this. They know what they have to do. They know what they have to accomplish. Ubala Inzabe Sundowns has been dominating. They've been dominating the past few years, but these past 2 years, it has been tough for them. Tough, league by winner tough. Now, but they can tell you we've win league tough. Even especially after Guhambe coach Uche, it's been tough now. And then Sapula took over, but you can see previous season UWC almost took the league. That's why they went to play Kosafa and win it. Last season, TS Galaxy almost took the league. Now they will be going to play Kosafa. You see, so it shows good. My chances of Sundowns winning this season, Mangan. But if we have this team, Kaizer Chiefs, if we have it, Lapa, Hollywood, it's going to be very much.
And then it's because le malik le mayibili isasol ne Hollywood Bets umsebuka indlela akhula ngakhona kusho ukuthini especially kwe women football bengalandzela kangaka qala but nyalo umsebuka siyakhula that's why ne Chiefs seba ne team nayo.
I think we took 5 steps forward until now. Now we've took 10 steps back instead of development. We set 5 forward, but now we took 10 back. Reason being, remember what Bafna Kata into 2 streams in Hollywood, which it will need more teams to join in. So Logoge again, it brings you, the ladies will have less games, less minutes, less development. Less adjustment of the atmospheres. Imagine if at Joburg or Gauteng you have if a Gauteng you have 6 teams in the Hollywood, that means they only need to add 1 team, which is maybe a Mpumalanga team, which will be Galaxy, to have 8 teams. Then the other stream, so Labase Gauteng, how are they going to get the atmosphere say Durban? How are they going to face the challenges laba mabadlala base Durban? So phela lelo kanjani siyabo. Yayibona le adjustment angayisaba khona.
Then before sigoqoda mase sibuka isasol league ne Hollywood Bets bese sibuka futhi ne national team ibanyabanyana coach musabona nyalo yakhola kune rotation compared to Hugo Bruce alese badlala abancane aphinza bathatha lapha kubosesana umsabuka lokuta kusikube neqembu Kaizer Chiefs benefit angakanani for kusikube ne pressure nokuthi iqembu libanyana abanyana likhona ukuthi libe ne competence nyalo libe ne depth especially to quality.
Ufuna ngibe honest ufuna ngibe general. Ngiba honest ongibe general.
Phela wena nguvela ulandzela kakhulu iwin football desay babukeli funa bathole le information.
If I become general, ku coach kuletha i-opportunity vini yokubuka nje kahle kuma players la bekangaveli. But if I'm being honest, kuyendeka the same thing leyendeka ngala to the boys, because coach will look at Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, TS Galaxy, JVW will only coach top guy at lama team lawo kuthi akhona kwendani kuthola ama players
ne Western Cape ne ma players amaningi
UWC. So utobuka kulama players lawo kulama teams lawo, but nyalo njengoba nesasol nayo seyiphuma under sasol asasisasol league yeah under isaf ku reduce the chances yabo. Meanwhile we need good coach bet athumele bantu baphume and go watch all the games ngilendo leto seed, but in general well no I think satoba tough for yena.
Before sigoqoda nje bangiwe ulwenza kakhulu women football mhlambe longakusho kakhulukadi for abantu abangalandzela ifootball labo mari lo mhlambe message lonayo especially sayibona into becala madozana ngelo April.
I think it's only one thing that I always say, Coach Ace, is that to all the ladies, to all the female coaches, they must go out there and avail themselves. Because I don't want to see a women's team coached by a guy. A woman coaching there. And to the players, banga expect we will promote them. Will not promote them. Tina will just look at what we need to see. I take the news then we bona about the promoter. Let us get things from them. About the promoter bona. That's why you men's football Eli Konakon. That's why you look at your ABC Mutsipe Eli Konakon. It's because the boys they promote themselves. So now but the ladies, let them promote themselves. You think to a page or to a Facebook or Lindo Matan. Ngithole akhuluma ngewomen's football athi postile a postile saying yasiyadlala le weekend sidlala enzaweni so I think lokho it's also one thing leyo bring ama sponsors
ngilo khona futhi nje bomake babukela ikhona nje imali kwe football yabo make compared to basibona kwe football yabo ba because naloko mhlambe ngiyireason
kude. There's no money. That's why ngismine let them market themselves kuzothi bakhona uthi bathole ama sponsors
ngene imali. I mean
there's no money in women's football. I don't want to lie. You only spend.
What I mean?
You only spend. The only chance you get. Utola stipend Maui national team. Utola stipend. Agna mali. That is why they always play goods batole equal up national team.
Before ngisiko kodwa ngibona mani on and off akabi khona ku national team Thembi Kgatlana bonekalani vele ngaye.
No, there's been a lot that's going on Ngathembi. There's been a lot, especially from the team side. But she's getting better and she's coming back and very strong. I don't want to lie, very strong.
Because of course,
Ubuya very strong. The corporate striker kakhulu.
Yeah, asibonga ke lebesinaye nguye King Movic besibuka kakhulu kati kuyo football yabo manje basibona ukuthi tebecala baduzane ngalo April kanzi futhi besibuka itolo mhla ka31 bokulontsha iqembu Kaizer Chiefs egcineni nalo futhi silibhola labo manje lapha besibona ukuthi kwenekalani nje basathi ukuthi Sundowns bokungiyele bedominate asathi ke kusibodlala lapha kuyiphi league ku Hollywood Bears kube mhlambe bodlala lapha nje kusasolo manje lokubunanzi ukuthi balandzeli bajabulile ukuthi ne Chiefs egcineni seyikhona futhi lapha nje nema ladies asembeke sebesibona badlala kahle kakhulu bangendi njengalapha kubobabe bababeta nje ngosibe umlamthuthu besinaye Movic ke lulandzela lapha nje kuyona iwomen's football asembeke ukuthi besiphathele kona ukujabulele coach kudo temidlalo we coach podcast show kudo temidlalo.